Okay, so let's look at what is a preposition. What is it? What is it about? Okay, so I've always described to my students it is where things are. Nice and simple. Where things are. Here, there, up, down, over there, underneath, behind, in front, above, below. Where things are. Okay, but also it is how clauses are related. How clauses in sentences are related. How this clause is related to that clause. The book is by the window. By. The books are on the desk. The books. The desk. The books are on the desk. The desk is underneath the books. Very nice. The desk is by the wall. The desk is by the wall. The board is next to the wall. I am underneath my books. Underneath from the books. So then we have prepositional phrases, which is the preposition with a noun or a pronoun. So we can have next to, for example. I am next to the board. Board. Very nice. But then we don't always need to repeat the prepositional phrase in a sentence. Say the wall is next to the desk and next to the computer. So you're just going to say it once. If a sentence has the same consistent preposition, or prepositional verb, or phrase even, then you don't need to repeat it. That's one thing with English. If you can reduce the amount of words you say and still maintain the same meaning, then do it. The wall is next to the desk and computer, not the wall is next to the desk and next to the computer. Just next to once, for example. Very good. But if the preposition is different, then you want to mention it. We looked at the door and listened to the window. We looked at the door and listened to something else over there. It's different preposition. At and to. The books are on the desk and it is by the wall. The books are on the desk is by the wall. The books are on the desk is on the floor. On the desk, on the floor. Yeah. Yeah. The books are on the desk and the desk is by the wall. Very good. Okay. Although in that case we're referring to a different item. The books are on the desk. The books are on the desk. The desk is on the floor. They're both on something. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, because in this sentence we're referring to the wall. The wall is next to the desk and next to the computer. In this sentence the books are on the desk. The desk is on the floor. We're referring to a different object in the sentence. No, different subject. Subject. The books, the desk. How cool is that? So prepositions, where things are and how the clauses in relationship relate to one another. Okay. How cool is that? Let's keep going.